We've just gotten a wave of fresh new leaks about Apple's very first foldable phone, the iPhone Fold. And yes, this is finally happening. After years of rumors, patents, and delays, Apple's foldable iPhone is now expected to launch in 2026, and if the leaks are accurate, this could be Apple's biggest iPhone redesign ever. According to multiple sources, the iPhone Fold is targeting a September launch, likely alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max. Interestingly, the regular iPhone 18 models are rumored to be pushed to spring 2027, making the Fold one of Apple's headline devices next year. Now, there is a chance of delay. Reports from investment firms suggest Apple is still finalizing one critical component, the hinge. And that's not surprising, because Apple wants to get this absolutely right. Which brings us to the most exciting part. Apple is rumored to be using a liquid metal hinge, combining titanium and stainless steel. This wouldn't be Apple's first time using liquid metal. They've been using it in the SIM eject tool for over a decade, but this would be the first time it's used in a core structural component of an iPhone. Why does this matter? Because it could allow Apple to do something no foldable has truly perfected yet: eliminate the display crease. Leaks suggest the iPhone Fold may feature a nearly crease-free folding display, supplied by Samsung. And while Samsung has shown similar tech recently, Apple's hinge design could be what finally makes a crease almost invisible in real-world use. Now let's talk materials. The iPhone Fold is expected to feature a titanium or titanium aluminum alloy chassis, similar to what Apple introduced with the iPhone Air. That means a device that feels extremely premium, rigid, and lightweight, potentially the most premium foldable ever made. Battery life is another big focus. Apple is rumored to use a high-density lithium-ion battery, allowing a slimmer design without sacrificing endurance. Combined with Apple's ultra-efficient chips, battery life likely won't be a concern here. As for the displays, leaks suggest a compact outer screen, around 5.3 to 5.5 inches, making it smaller than most foldables. The inner display is rumored to be around 7.7 inches, slightly smaller than an iPad mini. This means Apple is going for a more compact foldable, rather than the oversized tablet-style approach we see from Samsung. Some people will love this. Others may prefer bigger screens, but it's a very Apple-like move. Security could also change. The iPhone Fold is rumored to bring back Touch ID, built into the power button, similar to the iPad Air. Face ID takes up a lot of internal space, and in a foldable that's expected to be around 4.5 to 4.8 millimeters thin, every fraction matters. Recent mock-ups based on leaked CAD files show a sleek, ultra-thin design, though not quite the thinnest foldable on the market. Still, the overall look is clean, minimal, and unmistakably Apple. So while we're still about 9 months away, one thing is clear. The iPhone Fold isn't just Apple copying foldables. It's Apple redefining them, and this is only the beginning.